Sleep, you're doing it wrong, probably. Let's be honest, America. We're a nation of the perpetually exhausted, stumbling through our days fueled by caffeine and sheer willpower. We wear our lack of sleep like a badge of honor, a testament to our productivity and dedication. But here's the thing, we're doing it all wrong. Sleep is not just a nightly ritual, it's a crucial part of our overall health. Sleep, my friends, is not a luxury. It's a fundamental human need, right up there with breathing, eating, and not accidentally setting your own hair on fire. Without adequate sleep, our bodies and minds can't function properly. And yet, we treat it like an optional activity, something to squeeze in between work emails and late-night Netflix binges. We prioritize everything else over sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation is a one-way ticket to a whole host of health problems. It's not just about feeling tired. We're talking about heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and more. These are serious conditions that can drastically affect our quality of life. Sleep deprivation also wreaks havoc on our mental and emotional well-being. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Our moods swing, our concentration evaporates, and our decision-making skills, they plummet. Let's just say we shouldn't be trusted with anything more complicated than choosing between regular and decaf. Our cognitive functions are severely impaired. It's time to reclaim our right to rest. Prioritize sleep. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine, and watch how your life transforms. The price of skimping on sleep. A look at the consequences. Sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets busy, but the cost of this decision is far greater than we realize. Ignoring the consequences of poor sleep is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. Eventually, it's going to explode. The effects are cumulative, and the longer you go without proper rest, the more severe the consequences become. We're not just talking about feeling a little groggy in the morning. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a host of problems that affect every aspect of your life. We're talking about serious, long-term health implications. Conditions like diabetes, obesity, and even certain types of cancer have been linked to poor sleep habits. Every time you sacrifice sleep, you're essentially taking out a loan from your health bank. And just like any loan, it comes with interest that you'll eventually have to pay back. When you're sleep deprived, your body goes into overdrive, pumping out stress hormones. This constant state of stress can wreak havoc on your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. This is bad news for your blood pressure and heart rate, increasing your risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Your cardiovascular system takes a significant hit when you don't get enough rest. Chronic sleep deprivation also loves to mess with our waistlines. Lack of sleep disrupts the hormones that control hunger, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. When you're exhausted, your body starts craving sugary, fatty foods for a quick energy boost. This can lead to poor dietary choices and further exacerbate weight issues. Sleep deprivation also has a field day with our mental health, leaving us feeling anxious, irritable, and more emotionally reactive. Over time, this can contribute to more serious mental health conditions like depression and anxiety disorders. Tossing and turning, decoding common sleep saboteurs. Millions of people struggle with sleep disorders and disruptions. Let's start with the big kahuna of sleep disorders, insomnia. This sleep thief manifests as difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. Next up, we have sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts throughout the night. Then there's restless leg syndrome, causing an uncontrollable urge to move your legs. And let's not forget about narcolepsy, a neurological disorder that disrupts the sleep-wake cycle. Stress and anxiety can keep your mind racing, making it impossible to relax and drift off. The blue light emitted from our phones, tablets, and laptops can interfere with our natural sleep-wake cycle. Identifying the culprit behind your sleep woes is the first step towards sweeter dreams. Setting the stage for sleep, crafting your personal sanctuary. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in the quality of your sleep. Darkness is your best friend when it comes to sleep. Invest in some blackout curtains and cover up any electronics that emit blue light. A cool room, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, can help facilitate sleep. If you live in a bustling city or have noisy neighbors, earplugs can be your saving grace. White noise machines or apps can also be helpful in drowning out distracting sounds. Choose a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support. Clean, breathable bedding is essential. Wash your sheets regularly and consider hypoallergenic materials if you suffer from allergies. Section 5. The pre-sleep wind down. Rituals for a smoother slumber. This is about creating a relaxing routine that signals to your body and mind that it's time to transition from the chaos of the day to the tranquility of sleep. Ditch the screens. Opt for calming activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to relaxing music. Establish a consistent sleep-wake cycle, even on weekends. Create a to-do list for the next day to alleviate bedtime anxieties. Light stretching or gentle yoga poses can help release physical tension. A warm bath with Epsom salts or essential oils can enhance relaxation. Section 6. Diet and exercise. Their often overlooked role in sleep. The food we consume and the way we move our bodies can either sabotage our slumber or pave the way for a night of sweet, sweet dreams. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol before bed. Opt for a light, sleep-promoting snack a few hours before bedtime. Regular physical activity can work wonders for your sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Avoid strenuous workouts close to bedtime. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Dehydration can lead to restless sleep and frequent nighttime awakenings. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Section 7. Taming your tech. Navigating the digital age for better sleep. Our phones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light that can wreak havoc on our sleep. Establish a digital curfew. Set a time each night when all screens go dark, at least an hour before your scheduled bedtime. Find alternative activities to fill the void, like reading a book, listening to music, or meditating. Invest in a pair of blue light blocking glasses if you must use your phone or laptop before bed. Make your bedroom a tech-free zone. No TVs, no laptops, and ideally, no phones charging on your nightstand. The bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Disconnect from the digital world and recharge your batteries. Section 8. The power of routine. Consistency is key. Our bodies thrive on consistency. When we stick to a regular sleep schedule, we're setting our internal clock for optimal performance. By establishing a regular sleep schedule and sticking to it, we're reinforcing our body's natural rhythm. Strive for consistency whenever possible. If you have a late night out, try to adjust your sleep schedule gradually. If you do have an off night, get back on track the next day. Aim to wake up within an hour or two of your usual wake-up time on weekends. This will help maintain your consistent sleep-wake cycle. Prevent that dreaded Sunday night insomnia. Section 9. Seeking professional help. When to consult an expert. If you're struggling with chronic sleep problems, experiencing excessive daytime sleepiness, or suspect you may have a sleep disorder, it's time to consult a medical professional. They can help identify any underlying medical or psychological conditions that may be contributing to your sleep issues. Sleep is a vital part of our overall health and well-being. Seeking professional help when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. A sleep study can help identify sleep disorders like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and narcolepsy. Leave the diagnoses to the professionals. Section 10. The gift of good sleep. Reaping the rewards of rest. When you prioritize sleep, you're investing in your overall health, well-being, and even your ability to function as a semi-functional human being. Sleep is not just a passive state. It's a vital process that rejuvenates your body and mind. Good sleep improves cognitive function, memory, and concentration. It allows your brain to process and store information more effectively, making it easier to recall facts and solve problems. You're able to process information more effectively, make better decisions, and tap into those creative juices. This can lead to enhanced productivity and innovation in both your personal and professional life. Good sleep boosts our immune system, helping us fight off infections and stay healthy year-round. A strong immune system is your body's first line of defense against illnesses. It also helps regulate our hormones, including those that control appetite, metabolism, and stress response. Balanced hormones are crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing stress levels. This can lead to improved weight management and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Proper sleep can be a key factor in achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. When you're well rested, you're better equipped to handle stress and regulate your emotions. Emotional stability is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and a positive outlook on life. You're less likely to fly off the handle at minor inconveniences. A calm and composed demeanor can improve your interactions with others. Your friends, family, and coworkers will thank you for it. A well-rested you is a better you, capable of spreading positivity and joy to those around you. Section 11. Sweet dreams are made of this: embracing a future of better sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as essential to our health and well-being as breathing and eating. It's time to reclaim our right to rest. Prioritize sleep for the well-being of our families, our communities, and our society as a whole. A well-rested society is a happier, healthier, and far less cranky society. Make a small change tonight. Ditch the screens an hour before bed, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and invest in a comfortable sleep environment. If you're struggling with chronic sleep problems, seek professional help. Sweet dreams, everyone!